Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 update error 0x80070643 for KB5001716. I'll show you 3 steps that will help you to resolve the issue. Step 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start menu and go to Settings. In the settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshooters. Find out Windows Update and click on Run. Now Windows will detect the problems and fix the issue. Step 2. Use the System File Checker SFC tool. Type in the search box CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and click on Run Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. Now let the tool scan and repair any corrupted system files. Remember to restart your system after trying each solution. Step 3. Perform a repair upgrade. If the second step doesn't resolve the issue, consider a repair upgrade or uninstall updates. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and hold down the Shift key, then click on Restart. Now our computer will reboot and access the startup settings. At the startup settings, click on Troubleshoot. Advanced option. Uninstall updates. From here, you can uninstall updates one by one and try again to update Windows. I'm not going to do this because my problem is solved. If you are having this issue, then you can try to uninstall both of these. After that, restart your computer. Now you can check Windows Update from Settings. In some cases, the download failed because the IP has been blocked from your ISP internet service provider. That causes the update to fail. For this, you can't use the VPN software. Hope this time it will work. If the problem persists, you might need to wait for a patch or seek further assistance from Microsoft. That's it for now. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. We hope that you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and spreading positivity.